I feel honored because I love plants, as you can see. I love flowers. I love nature. And I see so much resiliency in nature, right? And I am on that path right now. I'm a little nervous and I'm very emotional too, so my voice will do this. But I also love youth. We were all youth at one particular point in time, right? Yeah. Growing up is hard. It's very difficult. But the phrase "children are our future," they are. And when we can help them in those difficult times, man, sometimes they just hit a wall, right? Whether it's their own fault or they're not their own fault. Sometimes we just got to help them get over that little hump, right? And so I have been honored to be the founder and executive director of the Sybil Ludington Foundation, where we are supporting and encouraging and recognizing resiliency in our youth. And following Cornelius, I mean, you just hit so many great points about you have to go to those quiet places in order for this to happen sometimes. And it's very personal, right? It's very personal. So as y'all have been looking at this bouquet, y'all have probably maybe picked out maybe your favorites, right? Maybe by a color or by a shape. And I'm a lily girl. I love lilies. And when I get lilies, I actually get them. Let's see if I can pull one out. Here we go. I'll pull them out. I'll pick one that has the majority of them closed and one of them open so I can see what the flower is going to look like. So we're getting into Easter, so this looks more like an Asian, but I don't think it's an Asian. But I love to see this one. You can't maybe see it, but it's about to open up. But what we have to understand is it takes time. These guys take time, right? And when we're going through resiliency, when we're going through those really difficult times, right, we have to realize it's going to take us some time. Like these guys will open up probably in 2 or 3 weeks. I'm going to enjoy watching the whole entire process. But what's going to happen if I want to hurry up this process, right? What's going to happen if I take this guy he's starting to open up? But what if I just start wanting him to look like this and what's going to happen to him? Going to destroy it, right? It's just going to fall apart. It's going to look awful. I'm not going to do it because he's going to look beautiful. Same type with us. If we don't allow God, our higher power, whatever you want to call them, is if we don't allow him to work what he's wanting to do in us, we're never going to get here. We're not. Same thing with our youth is they get a bad rap so many times. And sometimes it's by no fault of their own. They're surviving with whatever means they can. And so what I want to do with our foundation is to go shoulder to shoulder with them. Let's say their stories. They're doing so many great things out there, right? So let's tell their stories and let's encourage them that, you know what, it's okay. It's going to take time. And the other thing is personal, right? Thank you. As with each of these flowers, we all come from different backgrounds, different cultures, different religions, different experiences, different poverty levels, and different walks of the earth. So we have to understand too that with time and with patience that we are all going to deal in our resilient time and our struggles differently, right? We may isolate, we may chat, we may talk, we may run, we may work out, we may bare our souls in our work. Like we cope however we're going to cope, right? Same thing with our youth. They may lash out one way. They may isolate. They may, as with us, substance abuse, different substances, right? So I want to find them where they're at. Where are you? And let's have a conversation. No judging, nothing. How can I help you? How can we help? How can our community help get you through what you're going through? Now, if we take our challenges away, right, character isn't built, right? And we want to make sure that character and that resiliency and that push through Just like our cocoons, with the caterpillars, we're starting to see the moths and everything outside, and the same type of thing, right? They've got to go to their place. They have to wrap themselves around or become that chrysalis, right? And then it's going to take time. And then it's got to squeeze out of that little hole, like this little thing. It's got to squeeze out, right? But it becomes a land walker to an air flyer. Only unless it won't unless it gets into that little cocoon, right? Only, or chrysalis. And if you disturb that part right there, it will never produce the outcome that God intended it to be. It has to. It has to. So what I want to encourage you, and what I would like to encourage our youth to do, don't be afraid of this time right here. Don't be afraid of this little bud, of the waiting. Don't be afraid to wait. It's okay. Because through time, through being quiet, listening, as you mentioned, just listen. It's hard to listen with all the noise. And understand where you're unique, but we're going to get through it. So don't be afraid to move from being a land walker to your cocoon phase. And then you're going to be your air flyer. Thank you.